Meaning of hematoma.
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 Hematoma. A hematoma is a localized swelling or mass of blood that has leaked out of a damaged blood vessel and collected in surrounding tissues. It can be caused by trauma, surgery, or a medical condition that affects blood clotting. Hematomas typically appear as raised bumps or bruises on the skin and can be painful or sensitive to the touch. Depending on their location and size, hematomas may require medical treatment such as drainage or surgical removal. In severe cases, they can impede blood flow and lead to tissue damage or cell death.